following
Hey, Dad.
an Italian ice truck.
If they go into our neighborhood, stop them. I'll run upstairs and get a 20.
Where in the world did you get a 20?
Graduation.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh, what? Oh.
Damn, it's Italian ice. It's not ice cream.
This guy just ruined our dreams.
He might be going to that trailer park. Who knows? It's so funny. We're freaking following an Italian ice truck. Damn, you're a big head. I hate you.
What are those have? Chill.
Move your guys' arm. I'm trying to record this. I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
Stop. Oh, stop.
Bruh.
It's hot.
Yes, you didn't
We're
turn.
only 10 seconds away from home.
Come on. Go to our neighborhood.
I'll kill you. I really will.
9,
Stop
10.
talking.
It's been 10 seconds.
You irk my soul. Seriously.
What does that even mean? What does irk mean? What does irk mean?
You bother me. You bother my soul.
Pull it up.
Yes, he's going to our neighborhood.
Playing that annoying music.
Yes.